What are you doing?
Gordon Jacks.
I want to go down to your dad and Debbie's today when we take LeBron home.
Mommy, I'm doing a drink.
I don't.
Well, I do.
Why?
Because I need to give them their pictures.
We can just mail it.
Diana said she's gonna give me a guitar, like a really nice guitar.
Milk.
Okay, I'll get you more milk. You want milk or tea?
What, Brian?
She's gonna give me a really nice guitar.
For what?
Christmas.
Yeah. She's like, Christmas is right around the corner. It's July.
They look what this is
Stop
doing.
doing
Little Brian thinks that I should spend $225 on a guitar just because.
You said which one do you want? I just said
You
I
said,
want.
"Hey, I want a guitar." And
Yeah, I said I want a
"Oh."
guitar. I'm just simply saying I want a guitar.
And I said, "Show me which one you want or which one you like."
I never
And
said
know.
give me one. I just said which one do you like? I like two of them. That black one and that
And then he goes in a knife store and was like, "I want this
Yeah.
knife." He pulls out this great big old blade like he's trying to kill somebody. I'm like, no.
No,
I thought
I
he
want-
wanted like a little pocket knife. He pulls out this big old dagger.
No, it wasn't. It was Dad. It was probably about what 4
But
inches.
what do you? I mean, what would you do with a knife that
It's
doesn't even fold
collectors.
in?
It's a collector's.
Oh, are you a knife collector now? You gonna
Yeah,
get you a
actually
little
I
hut
do.
up there at the flea market?
I got a really nice sword. at
Your
Mom's
dad's
house.
getting you on